I'm gonna do a video for put up, and it's like doing a video to me and posting up on my page wasn't real. Ask my friend them, the two main friend them, Petal and Ingrid. Tell them I'm gonna do a video and post it. Still couldn't find the right thing to say while trying to do a video, because doing a video and just post just dry. So I think right now how I feel would that be unfair. I think to me it would have feel like in a real. To be honest, I don't even know how I would have face. I never know how I go face, you know. I don't know how or what I go say. But what I know is the situation is sad. Being realistic. Being realistic is sad. I'm gonna come by here for make you like me. I'm gonna come by here for make you choose. I'm gonna come by here for make you take side. I'm gonna come from pan here for make you or using thing neither as how I always portray. However, with that being said, we are talking about something serious here. And all these years, for the last 10 years, people have been taking everything for joke. I don't want nobody to take this as a joke. I'm begging you all, please. Don't rejoice over somebody's failure. Don't sing yourself. Do not sin yourself. Think about your relationship with God. One time I did their own, yeah, everything was a joke, everything, you know, everybody can use it as fun. We did that because we want to do that. Come on, in realistic life, if somebody, you don't want somebody to know about your business, them can know. We want y'all to know. I stay humble. I move on to my life. Stop the music. This is what I'm doing, selling cream. At the end of the day, I don't owe nobody no explanation. I don't need to come on here and play a victim. I don't need to come on here and act like say, oh, me a goody two show. Cause I don't know. However, I want to think about his situation, if I fuck him or not, oh well. I'm not there to convince you, I can't convince you. At Jamaica we come from. Once a man apart with a girl, come on. Be realistic. Be realistic with yourself. I'm asking you who's watching to be realistic with yourself. Do not be biased. And if you was a biased person, try not to be biased. No. It is not the time for biasness. It is not the time for biasness. Dancehall we name and be a fuckery promote. Dancehall we name, we love fun and enjoyment. Dancehall we name, we do publicity stunt. Dancehall we name, we do whatever it is to reach on top. Dancehall it name, but this is not the This is not the fucking time. This is not to be kiki and I take this for joke. This is the may I repeat what I say. This is not the time for us to take this for joke. When I have now, it wasn't below from my past. I drop bluff on my face many times and homeless after that. I true me not talk my business. Take up back myself from scratch. For me can keep up my looks to this day here. Wanna know me when time me at 23, now me at 33. My wish me did look how me look now, but then with that being said, when I give up, I make fun of me, or me date the this and me date the madman and me date whatever I wanna have him as. Me date this and me date that, me date the dirty man, me date the, whatever you have me as. Keep it and hold it as long as you want. Because it's been 10 years and you still have it up. That's fine. I moved on from my past. I'm not in my past. I'm in my present, and tomorrow will be my future. With that being said, this is not the time for us to laugh and make mockery. And I'm asking, me and him no deal since 2015. I haven't seen that man from 2015. Now it's 2023. That's been 8 years. Okay? I'm asking you guys not to use no meme or no meme, whatever you wanna call it, meme. Whatever it is, I make meme, I make fun. This is not the time to make fun. May I ask all who was a true Gollibop fan, all who they believe in the rags to riches, all who they believe in the gully to the money, to please, I'm asking you, I don't want to like me tomorrow. I don't want to like me. I don't want to gain a like off of this. You don't have to deal with me. You don't have to follow me. You don't have to do none of that. I don't want to follow. I don't want to likes. I don't want to favoritism. But I ask all who did love the story of from the gully to the money, from rags to riches. Every girl want to walk off of me, boom. Every girl want to walk off of me, boom. I ask you if you please pray for him. Nothing beat prayers. Him have him ways, but this is not the right way for us to go about giving up on him. Yes, he's disrespectful. Yes, him get a gold spoon in his mouth and dash it away. Yes, but also believe and know say you're human too. And if someone go good for you tomorrow, maybe you don't know how to angle it neither. All heap away out in the streets, all heap away out here in the life. We go through all heap of mental illness. And it's not everybody can angle it. It's not everybody can get rich tomorrow and know for all it. And don't fuck up. It's not everybody who get them final break know of keep it. Yeah, I want to know. And most importantly, Kami is a true believer in this. I'm going to see it. And even if someone may not take the advisor from me, may I go close out with the advisor. And everybody, you help, I'll go help you back. And I want to big up. I want to big up an artist. And he know himself, I'm not calling a name. And he said to me, say, don't do things for people for something in return. Don't ever do something for a person for something in return. And that means a whole lot. As I say, when I want to give them nothing personally out of my hand, and I don't want to give them behind on the back, and then next thing, anything that happen after that, so I never do nothing. Because I done it before, and then next day I see him come and pray, and I try to bring him down. Just to be real people. I help him without, I don't know, I see something different the next day upon social media. So, if you're a person, when I see that, be realistic. I can't continuously help you. I don't owe you my lifetime loyalty. Every loyalty have an expiration date. And I learned that last year. Say loyalty have an expiration date too. If you say a person keep on take advantage. With that being said, I asked him to pray for him, and my Miss Donna is gonna have an arrangement. She said me to buy some food, so I go just shop for that, and But even if me and her go deal with it, or me make one of my peoples and half of my team deal with it and then go drop it off to her and she give it to them and some cash. The best I can do. I'm out here being from day one, I do it and I drop both on my face. I believe I'm a fight. People laugh off of me. Through me I sell cream. And to the grace of God, God really loved me. He made my business successful. Till me have 3 locations in Jamaica. I'm not do this for brag and boast. This is something when me use and make with my hand. My remedy for me, how me look youthful at the age I am. That is doing great. So with that being said, guys, let us just pray for him and close this out with our prayers. He who dwelleth in the secret of the Most High will abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say, the Lord is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in him I will trust. Here, big up on yourself. Have a good night.